Is YouTube TV logging you out unexpectedly? You're not alone. Many users face this annoying issue and it can be quite frustrating trying to figure out why it happens. In this guide, I'm going to dive into some effective solutions on how to fix YouTube TV keeps logging me out so that you can get back to streaming without any interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing is to troubleshoot your internet connection. An unstable or weak connection can cause YouTube TV to log you out unexpectedly. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data network. You can also try restarting your router to see if that resolves the issue. By maintaining a reliable internet connection, you minimize the chances of being logged out. Step 2. Update the YouTube TV app. Outdated apps are often culprits behind unexpected logouts. Make sure your YouTube TV application is up to date. Head over to your device's app store and check for updates. Installing the latest version of the app can fix bugs and improve stability, reducing the risk of being logged out frequently. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Corrupted cache or data might be causing the app to log you out. Clear the cache and data, and that can give you the app a fresh start. To do this on an Android device, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Storage, Clear Cache Data. On iOS devices, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This process helps remove potential issues that could be causing you to log out. Step 4. Check for device compatibility. Ensure that your device you're using is compatible with YouTube TV. Using outdated systems or unsupported devices can lead to functionality issues such as being logged out unexpectedly. Visit YouTube TV's website or support page to verify your device's compatibility, and if needed, consider accessing the service on a supported device. Step 5. Re-enter login credentials. Sometimes logging back in with fresh credentials can resolve the issue. Go to the login page and re-enter your email and password. Ensure that there are no typos in your credentials, and if you use a password manager, ensure it's auto-filling the correct details. This step can reset any lingering session issues you might have. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy. Using a VPN can interfere with YouTube TV. Try disabling your VPN to see if the logout issue persists. Some VPNs can cause your location to change frequently, which might prompt YouTube TV to log you out for security reasons. Step 7. Contact YouTube TV support. If none of the above solutions work, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Contact YouTube TV support team for assistance. Provide them with details about your device, operating system, and any error messages that you've received. They can offer specialized guidance tailored to your specific issue. Dealing with YouTube TV logging you out can be a hassle, but by following the steps, hopefully you can get it back up and running. From checking your internet connection to updating the app, clearing the cache, and ensuring device compatibility, these tips cover the most common causes and softwares and solutions. By taking these actions, you'll be more equipped to handle unexpected logouts in the future.